Hello everyone, Dr. Jim Sharps here from the IIOM YouTube channel. You know, as we approach the holiday season, I just wanted to take a moment to wish you, each and every one of you, a very happy, joyful, empowering, uplifting Merry Christmas. You know, during the holiday seasons, we know it's a time for celebration, but it's also a crucial time to prioritize your health and safety. So I want to remind you to take good care of yourselves and your loved ones during this holiday season. You know, the holiday season will come and go, but you're still going to be here after the holiday season. So take care of yourselves. You know, amidst all these festivities, remember to stay hydrated, and you don't have to desert the desserts, but remember balance. So, make sure that you're eating as wholesomely as possible, get as much rest as you can, and, as I said, while you don't have to desert the desserts, try to keep a little bit of balance so that you can maintain your well-being throughout the season and after the season. But I really wanted to take this time to tell you how grateful I am that you've taken the opportunity to connect with us for all of the different sessions that we provided. We here at IIOM, we love sharing original medicine, this most powerful system known to man for preventing and reversing all chronic degenerative diseases. And we have a lot in store for you for the new year to have you empowered to maintain your health and give you a lot of good tips and techniques. If you want to check out what we're all about, you can check out iiom.org. We have all kinds of classes all the way from the certificate levels, a certificate as a certified nutrition counselor, as a certified herbalist, coming up with a really exciting new accredited certification program on RBTI, which is a very, very powerful analytical tool that combines original medicine, natural health, with a way of measuring it for your own individual requirements and capacities. So very, very powerful. So look out for that. We also have courses from the bachelor's level, the master's level, all the way up through the doctorate and PhD level. So again, check us out. And if you like what we're doing, please subscribe below, and we can continue to send you and provide for you this very empowering health and wellness information. So with that, I want to wish you all a very happy and healthy holiday season for you, your family, all of your associates. Be safe, have a good time. Remember to take care number one first. And until next time, bye for now. God bless.